see in this question how can we calculate RTH. Current source would be open, so I'm removing it. Okay, voltage source must be short circuit, so it must be short circuit. This is also short circuit, 8 volts, so this is also short circuit, right? Now you have to calculate across A and B. Start from the opposite side. Can you tell me 6 and this 2 and this 2? Is there any relation between these two? Hmm. No, this is star. Okay. This star need to be converted into delta. Okay. तो ये 6 ohm already है, ये 6 ohm ये ऐसे हो जाएगा. So we can't say that this 6 is in parallel with 2 and 2 because these two are internally connected now. So this is a star and we need to convert it into delta. Okay, if we'll convert this 2, 2, 2 into delta, can you tell me what would be the value? Remember the formula from star to delta? What is the formula for the star to delta? Like suppose RA means 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 divided by 2, right? 4 plus 2, that would be 6, right? So redraw the diagram. I'm redrawing in this only. So this would be 6, this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, and this is 6, right? Okay, any doubt up to here? Okay, now this 6 and this 6 is in parallel because you can't go to both the house at the same time. You have to think. Okay, so if I'll combine it, then that 6 will become a single resistance, right? Now it will become a 6 parallel 6. 6 parallel 6 is 3. Similarly, this is also 6 parallel 6. 6 parallel 6 is 3. This is also 6 parallel 6. 6 parallel 6 is 3. Okay? Any doubt up to here? Okay, so this 3 and this 3 is in series. So it will become combined 6. Right? So this 6 and this 3 is in parallel. Then it will be combined in series with 6. Right? After solving it, we'll get a single resistance that will be in parallel with that 8 ohm, right? So like this we have to solve it. If you solve it, then you will get final answer for RTH is 4 ohm. Okay.